Okay, I just stepped out of the seaside. What? Again? Seaside buffet. Seaside buffet, okay? Right in front of me is Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and Fitness. Wow. And then in front of me is also Royal Banquet. That's Indian food, okay? And this one's Scandinavian Designs. 8990 Miramar Road, okay? At Ease Games, Hardcore Fitness, CD Fun Center. Oh, probably for kids. Comfort Furniture and Galleries. There's Bella and Matt. Here they are. Bella and Mommy. Bella, you think that that white car is ours? Do you think? Yo. So, how is food? Are we full yet? Yes, we are so full. We're so full. What?
It smells.
Smell? What smell? Oh yeah, new car smell. This car only has 10,000 miles. Ah.